Hi, it's Mike Andes, founder here at Homeworks, and I'm happy to announce we have reached the first milestone in our 90-day events refactor inside of Homeworks. A month ago, we talked about the importance of redoing the events inside of Homeworks, because events are one of the most important parts of the entire CRM. They touch scheduling, dispatching, time tracking, completing the job, as well as invoicing. And so if events are slow, confusing, or if they're buggy, the whole business feels harder to run. And so we're rebuilding this part of Homeworks from the ground up in the same code base that we've done for the customer portal, payments, the waitlist, as well as unscheduled work. The first piece you're now going to be able to see is the new all events table. This has been rebuilt from scratch to be faster, cleaner, and much easier to use. Based on conversation with our members, we've found that search and filtering was very important, so we put a lot of attention on that. You can now find the exact event you need without digging through a packed schedule. Bulk actions are still there, and the core functionality you're already using, it's still there. The difference is that it should feel much more stable, more modern in terms of the user interface, and just a lot more obvious in terms of what you're trying to achieve. We're also launching the new work view. When you open a visit, you'll get a new, cleaner view on both desktop and on the mobile app. That is where you can see visit details, track time, mark work as complete, skip a visit, or send an upsell to your customers. The goal is really simple. Managing a visit should feel clean and super obvious. Now, this is the first step in a much bigger rebuild across the all events page, and really this is just the first step because the all events page is step one. Step two, which you'll see over the next month or so, is the calendar page. And then in the last 30 days of the events refactor, you're gonna see the dispatch board. Now on the front end, these pages will start to share the same design philosophy, just like you're seeing on the all events page. It'll look like that on the calendar, and it'll look like that on the dispatch board. And you're gonna notice it's not just a reskin. There's new functionality and features that we have wanted to bake in and have got a lot of feedback from our members. Now behind the scenes, we're moving the events into the new Homeworks code base. That means faster pages, fewer bugs, better stability, and a much stronger foundation for our team to keep improving the software. This is the beginning of a new event system inside Homeworks. It's one of the 3 milestones inside the 90-day refactor. So go ahead, open your schedule, check out the new all events table, and try out the new work view.